Good morning, students. Today we will discuss in the TS Polytechnic syllabus, and as well as we are going to discuss about the physics topic. So in this physics topic, first one is reflection of light. Reflection of light at curved surfaces. So reflection of light at curved surfaces. So in this topic we are taking to find out the normal at curved surfaces. So first of all, we are taking a small piece of rubber. So this is the small piece of rubber. Put the pins along the straight line like this. So these are the pins. So put the pins along the straight line of the rubber form. So each pin is represent normal. So each pin is represent as a normal to the rubber form. And as well as now we are taking the rubber form. So the rubber form is bend inwards. So like this. So rubber form bend inwards. So all the pins. So these are all the pins. So these are all pins towards convert a point. Towards convert a point. Next, as well as the rubber form is bent outwards. So then, so bent on outwards. Then all pins so all pins were diverged. So all pins were diverged here. So when the rubber form bent inwards, so all pins will converge. So this is the converge a point, and rubber form bent outwards, then all pins get diverged. So now we are going to discuss what happened. So rubber form, here rubber form we are taking like a mirror. So like a mirror. When the mirror is bent, so like a rubber form will bend inwards. So rubber form bends inwards, it is all pins will converge. So this type of mirror, so this type of mirror is known as a concave mirror. Concave mirror. And as well as the rubber form will bend outwards. So then all pins will get diverged. So this type of shape of mirror is known as a convex mirror. Convex mirror. So this is the introduction about the mirrors. So which type of mirrors are there? Concave mirror and as well as convex mirror. So now we are going to discuss about the concave mirror and convex mirror. Now we are going to discuss about the concave mirror definitions. First of all, center of curvature. So what is center of curvature? So in this is a concave mirror. So what is it? It is a concave mirror. So it has normals. So these are all the normals. So what is the center of curvature definition? So all the normals converge to a point. Converge to a point is known as a center of curvature. So it is denoted by C. It is denoted by C. So what is the center of curvature? All the normals converge to a point is known as a center of curvature of the mirror. So this is the center of curvature. Next, what is pole? So pole. So the midpoint of the mirror. So the midpoint of the mirror is known as a pole of the mirror. So the midpoint of the mirror is known as a pole of the mirror. Our geometrical center is known as a pole of the mirror. It is denoted by P. It is denoted by P. Next, as well as the radius of curvature. So radius of curvature. What is radius of curvature? So radius of curvature is the distance. So it is a pole P. So radius of curvature is, so the distance between pole and center of curvature is known as a radius of curvature. So the distance between pole and center of curvature is known as a radius of curvature. So radius of curvature is denoted by R, capital R. Now principal axis. Principal axis. So principal axis is the horizontal line passing through the center of curvature and pole. So the line passing through center of curvature and pole of the mirror is known as a principal axis. Principal axis. Next to focus. Focus or focal point. Focus or focal point. Here, for example, it is a concave mirror. So pole of the mirror and principal axis. So the light ray is passing through from the sun. So from the sun and falling on the concave mirror. Then it get reflected. So another light ray is also falling on the concave mirror and it is also get reflected. Next another light ray is also get reflected. So this is also get reflected, the light ray. So it means the focus. So focal point is nothing but, so all the reflected rays towards converge a point. So all the reflected rays towards converge a point is known as a focus or focal point of the mirror. Focal point of the mirror. Or so the rays coming from the sun and converge a point. So converge a point is known as it is a focal point or focus. And finally the focal length. So focal length. What is focal length? So focal length. So for example, it is a focus and these are all the normals. So normals are converged to a point is known as a center of curvature of the mirror. Already we discussed about this. Next the focal length. So focal length is nothing but the distance. So distance between the pole and focus. Pole and so focus or focal point of the mirror is known as a focal length. So focal length is nothing but the distance between the pole and focus point is known as a focal length. It is denoted by small f. So small f is the focal length is the focal length. Next, what is the relation between? So relation between f focal length and r radius of curvature. So it is important. Already the Polytechnic examination 2018 already asking one question about the relation between f and r. So what is the relation between f and r? So the radius of curvature r is equals to 2f. So this is the relation. It means, so the radius of curvature is twice of the focal length. Is twice of the focal length. So the radius of curvature is twice of the focal length. So in the 2018 question paper asking, so the relation between the radius of curvature and focal length. So first option, r is equals to f, and the second one, so f is equals to 2r, and third one is, so r is equals to f by 2, and fourth one is so r is equals to 2f, like this. So here the radius of curvature twice of the focal length, so it is a correct answer. This type of mirror are used like a side mirrors of the vehicles. So same options, it is convex mirror, concave mirror, plane mirror, or none of this. So which one is correct? So it is the vehicles are here used to like a side mirrors, that is convex mirror. Convex mirror is the correct answer.